Safety off, and so what happens when you run out of air, Matt? Great question. So we have a big air tank over here, full of air. We have a little opening here. Plug this thing in, and then you fill her up while you watch the gauge. And we go to 3,000 psi, and then you close it. This lasts you about, I think I've shot like 10 rounds through it before I needed a refill, but they will start dropping. Like once you shoot like 5, you'll notice that they're not going as fast anymore, and so they drop further at longer ranges. We're scooted back about 100 yards away now. Let's see how accurate it is. There's a 5-inch plate on the far right. Let's see if we can ring it. Ding! Off the table. See if I can hit that big one.